Hi, I'm Adrian, and today I'll show you how to set up and run on-demand courses through Cademy. I'm logged in as an educator, so when I click on Create Class, I now see a few options for the type of course I want to set up. And now there's an option for on-demand courses, but by the time of you watching this, there could be more options here. And this essentially is what we're trying to do here. We're trying to give educators a way to run courses, no matter the format, from a single toolbox. You can, and you probably are already running on-demand courses, but you probably are using a third-party tool and then paying likely for it as well. And there's a chance that you're not particularly happy with it. From the experience that we have with speaking to educators, they usually tend to be a pain to set up. Now, how does this work in general? So to set up a course, an on-demand course, you can come in here and just say, example on-demand course, give it a price. I'll keep it at 0 so I could show you the checkout flow as well. I don't want to be paying during this video, so I'll just click a few images here to add them to my course and just fill in the basic details so I could just save and progress. Now, when I get to the second step here, normally for a standard course, there's options for setting up dates. For on-demand courses, there's no dates. You upload your content and people get access to that content after they've enrolled. Now, to set up your content, you click on the add lesson and you have a few different options for the format like video, audio, file, link, or article. And that's just going to present the content on the other side when the student enrolls and consumes the content in the best format. So if you choose the video, it's going to be nice and big. You know what? I'll show you later when we get to that point. So example, article, lesson, just like so, and you can just write in your text or paste it from somewhere else, and you can format it or make it bold and add headings. Whatever you need to do, you can just do that in here. It's pretty standard stuff, so you should be more than comfortable editing your content here. You can add extra files if you need to, let's say an extra presentation, more homework, or guide sheets, whatever you need to do, you can add them in here. Now, what most educators will probably do, you probably have done that yourself. If you had to set up an on-demand course in the past, the first thing you've done is record all of your content, prepare all of your content. It's probably in a folder someplace. And if you've already uploaded it someplace, you still probably have that folder ready. So all you need to do is to just go in there and drag in your content in here and just drop it, right? So we try to make it as easy as possible for you to set up these courses, and we couldn't think of an easier way than that. You just drag in your videos or files, whatever you have, and we'll generate lessons based on the format of the file. So in this case, we see that I've got 2 videos here and a generic file, so that's just created it out like that. I think I'm going to add it to sections. I'm going to say introduction, and then the good stuff. There you go. I can just click this to publish, and I'm good. I could just click to edit the names so that it don't have the name of the file in there. But for this demo, it doesn't matter really. I can just click to save and publish, and there you go. The course is live. Like any course, I can go and customize the booking form, or in this case, the order form, emails, and everything else. But the defaults are just fine, so you don't necessarily have to touch any of that. As you can see, the course is now live, and it's live on the marketplace. It's live on my landing page, whatever you use to book. So if you use the landing page to book, which all educators on Cademy have access to their own landing page, just like so, that's going to be live there as well. So there we go. Now, when you enroll into your course, you can see, by the way, if I go back, you'll see that on the highlights, it says clearly that it's an on-demand course, so there's no confusion. We even show a summary of all the content that you've uploaded here so they know what they're getting at the point when they enroll. The button here doesn't say book, it says enroll, so they can quickly enter their details, accept. Normally, if I would have clicked next and it was a paid course, I would have been prompted to pay. This is a free course, so it's going to enroll me straight away. And this is the fun bit. How does the student get access to the course? Essentially, most platforms that we've seen do on-demand courses at this point would prompt the student to create a username and password to be able to go to a page and log in. And those things are annoying because people lose track of their passwords. They're not secure. They can share the password with whoever. So we've come up with a better way, we think. And we do that through Magic. We just use Magic to give people access to their course. And more specifically, we use Magic links. That's what they're called. So in the confirmation email that they get saying, hey, you've enrolled to this course, the button that they click there to get access to their course, sorry, I was already logged in from a different account. The button that they click there to get access to their course will just log them in automatically and will give them access to that course straight away. So in this case, as soon as they bought it, they click on the button, they're taken to the content, and you can see that the content that I've uploaded is already here and ready for me to consume. Nice and simple, as all things in Cademy are, I hope, for you. If you don't agree, message us and we'll change that. So I hope this all gives you a good sense of what that's going to look like. If someone's bought the course, enrolled into the course through the embedded booking system on your site or through the landing page that you use for bookings, your own personalized branded landing page, we don't redirect them to the marketplace URL. As you can see here, we redirect them to your own little landing page URL. So the experience is as branded to you as possible. They'll even be able to come to this little landing page that you have for your own courses and click on login here to log in to view their courses that they bought from you. So it's all branded to you. Now, if you have feedback or questions or anything at all, feel free to message us anytime. Just use the live chat button on the bottom right. We're always happy to help any way we can. Thank you.